Hello, my name is Ray Fioli from Inception Technologies, and today we work with a lot of municipalities to help them digitally transform their organization. What we're finding is that many cities and towns are looking to the digital world to help preserve records. But not only that, to make those records accessible to not only the staff, but also to their customers. So today, I'm going to show you how municipalities can take their records in various departments, such as the building department, where they might want to make maps or permit information searchable up online, or in the clerk's department, where maybe they're looking to put public meeting records or meeting minutes up online along with the election records. All this can be done and create a searchable screen that allows your users to log in and be able to search those records and retrieve them. Based on what your preferences are, we can give that customer the ability to download the document, we can give them the ability to print it, or only view it if that's what you choose. But the point is, those documents can become searchable by your customers, minimizing the amount of stress on your organization to find those records and provide them back to the customer. So I'm going to start out by simulating a web page. So if you look here, what you'll see is a Word document, and I've embedded a searchable link here down below where it says search your municipal documents. This is a link that you could embed directly onto your own website and be able to allow your customers to click on that link and then be brought to a page where they're able to then search records. Okay? So I'm going to simulate that by clicking on the link, and if you'll notice, it brings me up to a page. Now we utilize the DocuWare document management system, and this system can be an on-premise solution or be hosted in the cloud. Either way, documents are then accessible and searchable to the customer, and only the records that you specify, utilizing the security controls that are built into the DocuWare solution. So today, I'm going to search some cemetery records, and as you can see, I have the various criteria that the customer has defined that they want to be able to search by. So maybe they want to search based on the person's last name. So they come in and they type in Smith, and they say, find me all the records with the name Smith on them. Now, as you can see, I've got quite a few records here, over 100. In fact, I've got 268 records. I can change that search by narrowing it down. And maybe I'm looking for a John Smith. And I click in and click John Smith. Now, as you can see, I've narrowed it down very quickly from 268 documents down to 8. To view any one of those documents, all I have to do is double click on the record, and as you'll see, the record is now displayed. So very easily we can expose this link to your customers through your website and from their own office, or from a URL that is only on the internal website that is hosted inside your building. You can put a kiosk up, giving users the ability to walk over and search those records. I can page down through the document, and I can do various things. In this particular instance, we only allow them to view the records. I could do some other things like rotate or email the record. In this particular instance, I could print it as well. Point is, once it's digital, once it's up there, you can limit the amount of capabilities that you see over here that the user can do to the image. Maybe you only want them the ability to see that record, or you give them the print functionality, but maybe it only prints to a printer behind your desk if you set up a kiosk in your lobby. So that's one way to search. That's what we call fielded search, or using metadata to search. Well, what if I want to find a document and it's not tagged by Smith, and I want to find it, maybe it's just in the content. So I say, find me any document that has the name Smith in it. So, as you can see here, here's a document that's tagged by Sharon, and I want to look at this document. I click on it, and when it brings up the document, you'll notice it jumps right to the first page. Now, in this particular instance, the first occurrence of Smith is on page 4. but it found the document and said, "I've found Smith, and here you go." So as you can see, we can give this capability out to any of your end users and give you the ability to expose public records to those users and limit exactly what they see. If you'd like more information on how to do this, you can contact Inception Technologies by visiting our website or call us at our toll-free number. You can also email us at rfioli@inceptiontech.com. Thank you.